To use OFX for business transfers, start by opening a web browser and typing in OFX to find the exchange company's website, ofx.com. Click on the link to access the page, which will direct you to a sign in or sign up page. If you don't have an account, you will need to create one. Once you have an account, you will see various options, including transfers, recipients, rate alerts, bank details, FAQs, activity, and account information. To add a new recipient, go to the Recipients section and click the plus button. Then enter the bank account details of the recipient. For business transfers, you will need to create a business profile, which involves providing information about your business. If you're currently using a personal profile, you can log out and create a new business account by following the prompts during the sign up process. After setting up your account and adding recipients, you can make transfers to them. The process is straightforward, and having the necessary information and accounts in place will facilitate smooth business transactions.